Did you know that hackers can hide data in plain sight, and I'm going to teach you how. Sometimes you might want to hide some data. It could be malicious code, some top secrets, or even your passwords in a text file. But how would you hide, let's say, your secret passwords in a basic text file without most people knowing? Today we're diving into a lesser-known feature of Windows NTFS file systems called alternate data streams. Alternate data streams are a feature of the NTFS file system that allows more than one data stream to be associated with a file name. It's like having a hidden compartment within a file where you can store additional data. This can be useful for legitimate purposes, but it's also a method sometimes used for hiding data. Let's see how it works. We'll start with a simple example. Let's create a text file named passwords.txt. Here, we have a regular text file. Let's check its contents. Now let's add some hidden data to this file using an alternate data stream. We'll use the colon symbol followed by a stream name to do this. We've just added a hidden stream named hidden.txt to our password.txt file. Great, you just learned how to hide some important data, but how do you retrieve it? It's simple. To view the hidden data, you need to specify the stream name. And there it is. The hidden data appears. But if you open password.txt normally, you won't see it. One awesome thing about data streams is that you can have gigabytes of extra hidden data stored, but it won't show on the file size. How cool is that? Alternate data streams, ADS, can be exploited for a range of covert activities, including data exfiltration and secret communication. By hiding data within seemingly innocuous files, malicious actors can exfiltrate sensitive information without raising suspicion. For instance, a harmless-looking text file can contain hidden streams of confidential data, making it difficult for conventional file inspection methods to detect the breach. Similarly, ADS can be used for clandestine communication, where messages or files are embedded within ordinary documents, enabling secret chats and file exchanges that bypass standard monitoring tools. Happy hacking!